Hello, my name is Roy, and I've been a third grader Warlock. 148. Fill in the blank with greater than, less than, or equal to. Greater than means that if it's like this, that means this number on the left is gonna be greater. And then if it's like this, that means this number is gonna be less. Basically, just think of this as a mouth, like this. Pretend it's Pac-Man, I guess, and then Pac-Man wants to eat the bigger numbers. So let's just do an example. Okay, so there's gonna be 1 and 2. 2 is greater than 1 because it's more further away from 0. 1 is closer to 0, so it's less. So this one would be this, because that's the bigger number. Okay. 2 and 3. 3 is greater than 2 because it's further away from 0. So this would be like this. 100 is equal to 100 because they're both 100 numbers away from 0. So this one would be equal to 5 and 29. 29 is greater because it's further away from 0. It's 29 numbers away. 2 and 7. 2 is less than 7 because it's closer to 0, and 7 is further away from 0. So like this. Division. Okay, 15 divided by 5. How do you want to set it up is put the second number like this, 15. Okay, you want to see if 5 could go into 1. 5 does not go into 1, so you move on to the second number. So 5 does go into 15. It goes into 15 3 times. You multiply these two numbers. 5 times 3 goes 15. Subtract it. If you get 0, that means this top answer is your answer. So this one would be 3. 60 divided by 2. 2 divided by 60. This would be 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. You subtract it, you get 0. You bring down the 0. 2 goes into 0 0 times. 2 times 0 equals 0. You get 0, so it would be 30. Okay. 16 divided by 4. 4 divided by 16. 4 does not go into 1, it goes into 16 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract it, 0. 4 times 4 is 16. So 6 divided by 10. 6 is not going to 1, it goes into 10. Oh shoot, sorry. This is 6. 6 goes into 6 1 time. 6 times 1 is 6. Subtract it, 0. You bring down this, which 6 goes into 0 0 times. 6 times 0 equals 0. Subtract 0. So it'd be 10. Multiplication. Okay, 3 times 3, you could do 3 plus 3 plus 3, or you could do, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you count it up, it goes 9. 6 times 3, that basically means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or you could do 6 plus 6 plus 6, and if you do that, it goes 18. Or you could draw the circles like this. Not this circle. This circle, okay? Okay, 9 times 3, 9 plus 9 plus 9, we could do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you count it up, it goes 27. 2 times 4 basically means 4 plus 4, which was 8. Okay, Susie has 20 hairpins. She gives 6 away to her friends, loses 2, and buys 7 more. How many hairpins does she have now? So she first had a total of 20 hairpins, and then she gives away 6 to her friends. So to subtract 6, which that equals 12. No, 14 I meant, sorry. 14. And then she loses 2 of them, so it's subtract 2 again, which that equals 12. And then she buys 7 more, so it's add 12. This isn't working. Okay. 7. And then that equals 19. So she has a total of 19 hairpins. Okay, there are a total of 50 states in the United States. Johnny has been to 29 of them. How many states has he not been to yet? So it says that there's a total of 50 states, and then he hasn't been to 29 of them. So we need to find out how much. No, he's been 29. We need to find out how many he hasn't been to. So we have to subtract 29 to see how much because there's a total of 50 states and he's been to 29 of them. So which was fine. Which ones he didn't go to yet? How many didn't go to? You can't subtract 0 from 9 because it'll become a negative number, which you can't do here. So that would be this, you borrow from 10's place. This one becomes a 4. This one becomes a 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So he hasn't been 21 states yet.